Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be taking you through our top recommended thin cases for the iPhone 11. What with the range of bright pastel and vivid block colours available for the iPhone 11, you may want a case that covers your phone while still maintaining the overall iPhone look and feel. Here we have a few of our favourite thin cases that do just that. First off, we have the ultra thin clear case from Olixar. This transparent, slim-fitting design hugs the phone's shape perfectly, enhancing the colour choice beneath. Although it may not offer any tough impact protection, it may save your phone from scuffs and scratches that occur with day-to-day use. It's a favourite of many for its surprising quality and feel and overall simplicity. It's made from a durable gel material that's flexible enough to slide over your phone with ease and stick firmly in place. The rubbery nature of the material makes it easy to hold in hand, as it's incredibly grippy compared to the usual slippery material of most gel cases. There's a nice covering all around the edges and back, keeping your most vulnerable ports and switches safe from damage and dust. The only flaw is the lack of the bezel edge around the screen to avoid surface wear, but if you're looking for a thin interim case to keep your phone safe before buying a protective case, or you simply want an invisible shield that shows off your phone's look, then this is a great option. Next up, we have the iBlason Unicorn Beetle Style clear case. Made from a stiff yet flexible material, it fits onto your phone like a glove. Apart from some subtle detailing and branding, it's almost invisible at a glance, adding a nice thin layer to the phone without disrupting the nice curved shape. It feels quite smooth to the touch, but the rubbery material helps maintain a nice firm grip. It has a slightly thicker bumper compared to most thin cases, offering a great protective barrier for any harsh impacts that could damage your phone. It also doubles up as a raised bezel edge to lift the phone from rough surfaces when face down, for the ultimate protection. I like the raised symbols on the button covers. They help distinguish which buttons I'm pressing by touch alone. It's a very durable case embedded with an anti-scratch protection to help maintain that clean look for much longer. I love being able to see every angle of the phone. It's a great case that covers it from damage without compromising on the clean, modern iPhone look and colour choice. For a reasonable price, it's definitely one to consider when covering your new handset. For something with a little more flair, we have the tropical clear case from LoveCases. Here is just one of the many fun, exciting designs available for these flexible gel cases. Though it's not overly protective, it's a brilliant ultra-thin covering that offers a little design flair. LoveCases are well known for creating fun clear cases that brighten up the back of any phone. Covering the edges and back, you'll get a great light protection from most everyday scuffs and scratches, keeping your phone pristine for longer. Though it doesn't have any of the additional edging around the screen to protect from surface wear, it's still a great ultra-thin covering that wards away any unwanted scratches and scuffs on the back, corners and edges. With this in mind, it's worth applying either a film or glass protector to the screen for that ultimate 360 protection. As the case is so thin, the buttons are still very responsive, and cutouts on the bottom make it very easy to access the lightning port. The best part about this case is the range of colourful, scratch-resistant designs that don't rub off or fade over time, so you can really show off your personality. So this case is a great budget option for the iPhone 11 user that wants a clear case with a little bit of attitude. Finally, we have the official clear case from Apple. Though it's the highest priced clear case for the iPhone 11 on the market, you can never really go wrong with the official branded option for its custom fit alone. Its slightly unusual slick texture and hard plastic design makes this case easy to slip on and hard wearing against day-to-day wear and tear. It's not the most protective case out of the official range, but it does offer a brilliant, skin-tight, invisible look that was built to show off every smooth edge of the phone. Of course, it's not designed to come off very easily, so we wouldn't recommend taking this case off very often, as once it's on, it hugs the phone very tightly. If you're looking for a clear thin case that's protective and long-lasting, then we wouldn't suggest this case for you, but it's great for the light phone user that wants to maintain the iPhone look as much as possible without risking cosmetic damage or adding any unnecessary bulk. So that's it for our look into some of the thin cases available on the market for the iPhone 11. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.